If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. We are almost there, everyone. Almost back at the 1 fib level, all the way from February of this year. It's taken so many months to get up to that same price, but we've actually been predicting this whole entire move up to the 1 fib level, and actually beyond that, ever since halfway through pretty much the end of October, when we got this initial bullish crossover here. We needed to see further bullish signals, which was this golden cross. I've mentioned multiple times in the channel that the previous breakouts that we saw were of course great, but you need to see the golden cross for continuation. Back in February, we didn't see the golden cross. That's what led to this dump from February all the way until September. When we reclaimed the moving averages and eventually saw the bullish cross in October, pretty much the end of it, that's what gave us some further confidence that we would actually get to the golden pocket. Now it's at that point, it is going to be a resistance with suggestions of a new low below this point. However, if we can form a higher low, and that's going to be on the potential golden cross, the golden cross formed, and essentially after rejecting the golden pocket, we didn't put in a lower low. We confirmed the golden cross of support, breaking the golden pocket, creating the reversal wave, actually suggesting that these targets now are all valid between 4 and 5.7 cent. The next step is to get up to the 1 fib level, and we're pretty much almost there today. Now, in the past update, I did use a different set of fibs, more recent one, looking at this retracement that happened over the past week. And we broke through the golden pocket, which was the 786, confirmed it as support, essentially creating the reversal wave again, where we should go ahead and meet the 1 fib. And when you break that, we meet all these targets. Do you understand what's happened down here on a smaller scale is what I've been explaining for months on end, but it's just taking so long to happen. We've broken the golden pocket. You go to the 1 fib level. Once that is broken, you hit all of these targets. And on a smaller scale, you see that all happening. The golden pocket was confirmed as support. We broke the 1 fib level and we met all those targets. So it's very exciting. Please do expect these to be met as long as the golden pocket here actually continues to hold, which is 2 cent, the psychological level. We're now at 3 cent, so a complete 50% higher than that. So I'm going to scale down to the 4-hour time frame so we can look at this in a little bit clearer and explain where it is headed to next. We know it's the 1 fib level, but is there any further confirmations of that? So make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 7.5k before the end of this year. Only 200 more subs. We got 300 subs literally since the beginning of the month. Thank you so much for the continued support. Let's dive on into the 4-hour time frame. So yes, we explained it on the daily already, but it's looking a lot clearer right now. So we were essentially measuring this dump off, this retracement down, showing us where the golden pocket is, a potential point of a dump, and where you put in a new low and come down to the 200 EMA. But if you break through that level and see it flipping into support, then we're creating the reversal wave. We knew we were going up. It's just that using these smaller sets of fibs just helps you out. It tells you the levels that need to be broken, which is the golden pocket here, and then when that happens, we're going to head to those targets, which is what we thought anyway, because we've been retracing all the way back up to this 1 fib level, which was back in February, but we've been retracing to this point since October time when I first called it. And it's just these smaller fibs that are going to show you the targets along the way up, the levels of support and resistance along the way up. So to continue to that 1 fib level, which is 3.25 cent, in alignment with our 2 Fibonacci's, you need to consistently hold above the 0.5 Fibonacci 2650 cent. Now, in this daily candle, we're on the 4-hour, but in today's candle, we've already seen a retracement back down over the 4-hour periods. And that's actually come all the way to the 1272. I like that. I like that we've confirmed it as support, not only the 1272, but the 20 moving average. We don't have to dip lower than this. That could be it right now. As you can see in the past, when we hold the 20 moving average, we get this continuation. If you do ever lose it, the 55 acts as a second layer of defense. So essentially, guys, if we can just hold the 1272 as we are right now, break the 1618, and we will get that continuation to our target. However, if the 1272 is actually lost, then it's totally fine still, because we'd come down to the 55, just as shown previously over here, lose 20, hold the 55, reclaim 20, new high. Even if we lose the 20, we would hold the 55, reclaim the 20, and then get a new high, and those would be your targets. So even if you lose the 1272, yes, you just correct lower. Yes, it will take longer, but use it as an opportunity to DCA. You're going to be getting lower prices big opportunity there for future gains long term. But what is interesting, what I do like that I'm seeing, is that the 55 is above the golden pocket. And remember guys, if we turn off the moving averages, if they were never there in the first place, I would be saying the 1272 is the support. If we go ahead and lose that, then at all costs we need to hold the golden pocket. The moving averages just help us out. If you want to learn how to do this all by yourself, then private message me on Twitter or use the links in the description and pinned comment section to take action on the course, the one-to-one mentorship plan, the group, the Discord community where we share loads of investments, loads of chart trading ideas as well. Many of the students that I've taught in there are posting their own trade ideas, so there's people to learn from in there as well. And we do 2 weekly group calls as on top of that all. So if you're interested, use the links down below. Otherwise, continue to watch these videos. There's so much free, valuable content in here, enough for you guys to learn off. But if you just want to get to the end goal a lot quicker, then you know what to do. Just reach out to me when you are ready. And again, guys, this is all continuing to be bullish. I'm not seeing any bearish signs, even with this dump. Nothing to worry about. We're still above the 20. Previously shown when we are holding the 20 as support, we just continue higher. What happened over here? Held it as support, so we just should continue higher. And our next technical targets are 3.26 and then 3.3 cent. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment and share. If you want to get educated, use the links down below. Cheers everyone. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.